Good morning, good people. I am here with my friend Yujiro. Hello, Yujiro. And this morning we are heading to a park. What's the name of the park?
Sankeien.
Sankeien.
Japanese garden.
It's an ancient Japanese garden, so we're going to go and check it out. It's a nice day today, and we are still in Yokohama, in Japan, and we have decided to catch the bus, right? I'm going to catch the bus. Okay. All right, guys, we are at the bus stop, and I've just seen the bus schedule, so I'll give you guys a bit of a breakdown on how to read a bus schedule here in Yokohama. So basically you've got here the day, weekdays, Monday to Friday. This is Saturday, and this is the Sunday times. Now 9 is 9 a.m. and the 8 here means 8 past 9, 23 minutes past 9, 39 minutes past 9. Here, example, we're waiting for a bus on Sunday, and we are waiting for the 1:34 bus. So that's how you read these schedules here if you ever come to Yokohama. And these here are like the bus stops along the way. And I was just told by my friend that we're going to be starting here and finishing somewhere around here. So that's probably like 15 bus stops. Alright guys, we are walking to the gardens. It's the ancient gardens. Got a lot of ancient buildings here as well, historical, and yeah, should be interesting.
And notice board, yeah. Sankeien Garden.
Sankeien Garden. Old school kimono. So it is 700 yen to get in for an adult. Get your tickets from the office here and then walk in through this way. So get your ticket and show your ticket here. Hi. What are these? Talk about the gardens, I guess. Oh look, you even have a free shuttle bus. Maybe we can go on the bus to the fan zone.
Yeah, the link park.
Okay, cool. All right, let's check out some of the park here.
How was that? It's beautiful.
Nice little pond. The old ancient pond with the ancient boat. Nice day today. Any alligators in there? Oh, lots of fish. I can see some fish here. Check out these fish, guys. Looks like koi?
Koi
Carp, yeah. Look.
Oh, koi carp.
Koi carp, yeah.
Not so colorful.
They want to eat the camera. Hello. This carp, guys. Pretty big ones too. Wonder what they taste like. All right, guys, check out the bonsai here. The small miniature gardens. There's quite a few of them along here. How amazing those are. Old school Japan. And over here we have more bonsai.
Akino Miyajo is
It's based on a real?
Hiroshima, very famous shrine. Somebody tried to make the smaller.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes. So this is a smaller version of the real thing. Yes. These guys getting married. Got the turtles there, guys. traditional Japanese cat. Another traditional Japanese cat. This guy. Okay guys, Sankeien Japanese Garden, awesome little place to bring the family. Good walk around as well, takes about probably an hour, and the air out here is very, very fresh, and some good historical buildings to look at, and traditional buildings, and awesome plants and vegetation too.